how to plan your next road trip with Curioso. So just head over to Curiosio AI and then you can see this page right here. Now you can just head over and select a country. Now take note that not all countries are in here, and as you can see, I don't have Philippines right here, but this just need to go on and they are still on the process of upgrading themselves. So what you can do in this case. So just head over and then select a country that you want to take a road trip into. So head over right here to United States and then it will ask you for a starting or finishing point. So for example, let's head over and then add in here Chicago. So you can see this right here. Head over and click on this get trip. And then from in here, it will ask you to answer a CAPTCHA. So just head over and then answer it to your liking. And then it will compute some trip plans they have for you. As you can see, this will queue at around 100 seconds, which is approximately 1 minute and 40 seconds only. So just wait for this to finish the loading process and it will show you your trip. So as you can see right here, it has created a sport trip plans for us in just 30 seconds. So the maximum is around 100 seconds, but you can actually take it on a shorter notice. You can see right here that they will plan here for you 28 days road trip, 27 and 37 right here. So a road trip approximately takes a month, so it's actually really cute that they have these options for you. So it will also show you the actual things that you will go to there. So when you head over and then click on that, it will show you your itinerary and you can also modify and then change some bits right here. You can see in here the map that you're going to take and also your itinerary right here, like what you will do on those cases right here. And as you can see, you have a jump back day. So you can head over and then modify them if there's some places you want to go to. And then from in there, you can head over and then just click on this booking in here and you can actually book this if ever. And then when you click on details, you can see here travel style, curiosity, and then also all of the things that you need to travel into or all of the places you will travel into, the time breakdown, and also the cost breakdown that will show you right here. So in that case, you will be able to save for this road trip that you have planned. So that's how you plan your next road trip with Curioso. Hope we helped.